With Vikramjit Singh Sahni, Chairman of the Sun Foundation. And Mr. Sahni, thanks for being on the show. The Sun Foundation's done some exemplary work during the height of the pandemic, the launch of mobile testing corona clinics, ambulances, contributions to Langar Seva. How did all of this come about? And did healthcare workers and their contribution inspire you and the foundation to do much more?
Yes, Sonia, thanks. We in Sun Foundation really stepped up our philanthropic activities during this COVID period, thinking that when economy is facing a lot of challenges, it is really the time to help the needy and downtrodden. And we embarked upon a very innovative project together with Delhi government. As in the initial stages, you will remember that testing was a limiting factor because of constraints of facilities as well as the cost involved. So Sun Foundation launched a first ever mobile testing corona clinic, which had got facilities of corona test both for nose and throat swabs, RT-PCR test and whole body scanning through artificial intelligence. And then we made an advanced version of this testing clinic and ambulance and donated to Government of Punjab, flagged off by Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab. And I'm happy to inform that both the units are doing about 700 to 800 tests every day in various quarantine zones, the red zones and slum areas, absolutely free of charge. And then what you said about the Langar, we had started on 23rd of March, I remember, when we had issues of migrant laborers and BPL families and loss of lives and livelihoods. We started with 10,000 ration kits, but then later on we contributed with DSGMC for providing a free kitchen seva or langar to, I think, millions of people, most needy and most vulnerable people. And also we had helped the various ragis and pathis and cooks in various gurdwaras, because in all these religious places, the main source of income is the footfall. And when the devotees are not coming, so this also became a problem to foot their salaries and wages. And we also donated various ambulances to various NGOs like Shahid Bhagat Singh Seva Dal in Trans Yamuna area, who was transporting patients using ambulance also as mortuary vans to take them to the funeral sites. And of course, you remember on 2nd October, we partnered with NDTV. We had a whole campaign from our Tihar Jail Center to donate the masks to Asha workers. So these were the various things we had done.
This we remember. लेकिन सानी साहब, इस सब के बीच में एक चीज है, सोनिया एंड डॉक्टर रॉय, जो शायद हमारे दर्शक नहीं जानते हैं, वो ये है कि सानी साहब गाना बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं. सानी साहब ने एक गाना सोच भी रखा है फॉर ऑल द सेल्फलेस वर्कर्स एंड फ्रंटलाइन हीरोज. तो सानी साहब आज हो जाए उनके लिए.
यस संकेत जी, मैं पहले ये कहना चाहूंगा, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द प्रोएक्टिव रोल प्लेड बाय एनडीटीवी, spearheading COVID awareness, precautions, highlighting the health workers and corona warriors in its various programs. And I must acknowledge that this outbreak of COVID-19 have really shaken the world. It was unparalleled. It was not like Spanish flu or Ebola. Nobody knew till recently. There was no vaccine developed. But despite that, we should bow our head to millions of health workers, because according to WHO estimates, the proportion of health workers getting infected is as high as 35%. It is our foremost duty to salute bow our heads to millions of health workers, ambulance drivers, nurses, doctors, paramedical staff who risk their lives. And lastly, before singing some lines, I must acknowledge the global Punjabi community who came forward. I was reading even yesterday, the stranded trucks in UK, the free Langar service in Canada, US, UK, Far East, Australia. The Punjabi community did not allow a single person during this COVID to sleep hungry. This was a great food security concept and great contribution by community. And I would only say this corona has taught us care, compassion, and coexistence, and how our life is temporary, mortal, and how we should respect environment and reduce water, air, and waste pollution. वे मैं तिड़के कड़े दा पानी, वे मैं तिड़के कड़े दा पानी, कल तक नहीं रहना, कल तक नहीं रहना। नेरिਆਂ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਢ ਤੋਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਨਾਲ ਵੈਰ ਵੇ, ਬਦਲਾਂ ਨੇ ਘੇਰੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਿਖਰ ਦੁਪਹਿਰ ਵੇ, ਕੱਲ ਮੁੱਕ ਜਾਣੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ, ਕੱਲ ਮੁੱਕ ਜਾਣੀ मेरी कहानी। मैं कल तक नहीं रहना, मैं कल तक नहीं रहना, मैं कल तक नहीं रहना, मैं कल तक नहीं रहना। So COVID has taught us how life is mortal, temporary, and how we can
Vikramjit Sawhney,
how we have
thank you.
to
That was just
collect
great.
together. Thank you.
This is a hidden talent of yours. Singing, my God,
Thank
it
you.
was fantastic.
Thank you, Dr. Roy.
God bless you and keep up the good work. Thank you.